Before testing, we should prepare all the accessories. The materials we need to test. We can see that the 230 degrees and 2.16 kilograms. Firstly, let's set the temperature and select the weight. The cut sickle and intervals which we can set according to your material. Turn on the heating after all the parameters finish set. When the temperature here is the same as temperature set, let the red rod in and place the dice into barrels. Take the sample and use the feeding rod to put the sample into the barrel. And pay attention, we should compact the material. Then click countdown. It will display 240 seconds. Meantime, we put the piston rod and weight. Piston rod is 0.3 to 5 kg, plus the weight of 1.835 kg equals 2.16 kg. We can preset the weight here because this is semi-auto 1 type. When countdown reaches 0, the weight rack will auto-loading. There are 2 scales in the piston rod. When the lower 1 scale line is parallel to the machine, we click Run. We click Run. Because we set the interval to 10 seconds, so the machine will auto-cut samples once every 10 seconds. We took 5 samples in total. Then using an electronic balance, weight the 5 samples. Then get the total weight of the 5 samples. Calculate the average of the sample total weight. Click Sample, fill the average of total samples weighed. Then we'll get your sample MVR results. We can see test results in here, also can print out test results. Click Lift Up to let weights rack up when the test is completed. Then take out the piston rod and clean it using gauze. Pull out the red rod and let the dice fall out. Clean the dice promptly with a dice cleaning stick. Clean the machine's barrel promptly with gauze and a barrel cleaning rod. Now let's show the MVR method. Firstly, click MVR on. Set cutting the intervals to 999 seconds. The cutting cycles we should set more than 1. Prepare the materials and steps as before. Let the red rod in and place the dice into barrels. Also used hopper, put materials into machine barrel. Then click countdown. We can see the data is 1000 is original value, and click Start. Put the piston rod and also adjust the displacement device until its value is about 1500. Moving weight rack. Weight rack will auto-loading when countdown is ended. As the position changes, the material begins to be extruded. The machine auto begins measuring MVR value when piston rod lower scale line is parallel machine. The test is completed when the piston rod upper scale is parallel machined. Then we can see the MVR results and print it out. Finally, also click Lift Up and clean the piston rod. Return back the displacement encoder to 1000. Pull out the red rod and let the dice fall out. Use gauze and die cleaning sticks to clean the die. Also use gauze and barrel cleaning rod to clean barrel, then test is finished.